Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 29th of July 2023. So July almost over. Okay, at least July we got a strong rebound from the market. Whether whether your stock is up or not up, at least there is a chance that in the long term, right? Okay, your portfolio will have some gain. Rather than you see May, June, market is just horrible, okay. Then nonetheless, we take a look at global, see what is going on with the global first. Okay, let's check out introduction disclaimer first. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, let's check out KLCI first. We are looking at the weekly chart. Okay, look at the weekly chart. KLCI is very strong. Okay, KLCI is very strong. You see, okay, we got a big rebound 2 weeks ago. Okay, then continue with a positive pin bar. Then we got another big spike this week, which already broken through 1430, the resistance here, the big resistance here. Okay, there's a resistance here, and this one, the downtrend channel, this resistance. Okay, so market looks good. Okay, looks good in the long term. Okay, for a continued rebound, Okay, maybe there is next week. Maybe, as I said, there is possible there is a slight retracement. Okay, a slight downtrend, which is not probably not a downtrend changes. Okay, it's just a correction. Means okay, it goes up a while. The stock market normally it will rest for a while and go up. Rest for a while like that. Market just don't go direct up to the moon. Okay, because they're selling. When market goes reach certain percentage of growth, right? Okay, people will start to sell, right? Because people got profit, so you see, take profit, it will come down a bit, right? So most likely, I think next week, right, it might come, okay, because they're resistant at 1459, 1460, right? I think possible there will be a slight retrace back, okay, retracement, come back. Then I think the long-term trend should continue to go up. Okay, because of this very strong breakout, and we do have a divergence. You see, this bottom, right? Okay, it's same low, right? Okay, same. Let me see. Yeah, it's same low, but in RSI, right, it is slightly higher. Okay, it is slightly higher. Okay, and here also, this one also. Okay, lower, low. Okay, in the weekly, so this is long term. Okay, long term. We're looking at long term. So it registered the same low, right? So it's a double. We see a double bottom, okay, in the RSI. So there is potential. Okay, we can see the yellow color momentum increasing, and RSI go through 50 already. Okay, so this looks good. Okay, for a continuation of a rebound. Okay, and you see the daily chart. Okay, we got red color momentum already coming up to 50, so looks good. Okay, but RSI already overbought. That's why I said there could be a slight retracement towards this area, and hopefully it will rebound at 1430 area, 1436 or 1430. Okay, where this one RSI will come back to 50 and rebound at 50. Okay, so this will give us another a good rest for the market, a good rest, and RSI cannot go that high. A continuation of a growth. So we see red color continue. So we should be fine. Okay, we should be fine. Okay, look at the small cap, mid cap. Okay, mid cap. Look at the weekly. Okay, mid cap. Okay, mid cap is slow. It's slightly okay. It's still it's breaking out from this 13,890, but it's still a little bit stuck here because of a lot of selling pressure here. So it's not totally breakout yet because we see a pin bar here. Right, look at the small cap. Small cap just flat. Okay, we see dodgy and dodgy, right? Dodgy and dodgy means no direction yet. Okay. Okay, look at the sector. Construction. Okay, construction also overbought. That's why construction very strong. Breakout. So overbought. So it reached the resistance area. So there is a possible also it will have a retracement before it should continue up. Okay. Consumer starting to grow stronger. Okay, we got this trend line already broken. So possible sideways or even stronger, because you see RSI already broken through 50. Okay, so there is a chance of a slow rebound. Energy, we know that energy with the oil price so high, there is small rebound, but energy doesn't rebound a lot. Doesn't rebound a lot, but it is going to the top channel slowly. Okay, finance is very strong. Okay, we see the head and shoulder. You see head and shoulder target already reached. Okay, so potential target reach and overbought. That's why you see next week there is potential a slight correction before it wants to go up again. Okay, so there is next week could be a correction week. Okay, so for healthcare is still struggling in the bottom channel. Hopefully it get more momentum to push it out. Okay, now it's still trying to break through 1726. Okay, no doubt it closed at 1731, but we got a big tail, so it's not convincing. Okay, because we got a big tail, we got a tail bigger than the body. We got a pin bar here. Means still a lot of selling pressure. It's not out of the woods yet. Look at the industry. Okay, industry is struggling here at this resistance area 166. Trying to break out, so it's still struggling. You see, it's going both ways, up and down. Okay, so if next week it can break free above 166, then it should be doing well. But at least there is a chance. So it's slightly broken below this low already, 166. So there's a chance. Okay, plantation also. Okay, plantation already break out from this area. So next week, okay, possible it will have a come back and retest this 7086 and continue go up. We have the red color momentum come in, but we already overbought. That's why there is a possible of a short-term retracement. Property also, okay, where quite overbought heavily overbought. So there is a possible of a retracement. So could be next week we could be heading for a retracement. Okay, for our market. REIT still nothing, still a bit flat. Technology, okay, technology is coming back to retest this neckline. Okay, this head and shoulder. Hopefully it doesn't break below. Okay, hopefully it will come back to 63 area and rebound. Then the uptrend should continue. Okay, telco not doing so well. It's still on a downtrend. Transportation is trying to break up, but not very strong yet. It's trying to break above this 917. If we can close much higher above 917, means already broken through. We got double, triple bottom here, so there is a chance that this one could go, but now it's just flat. Utility, okay, utility is a bit high, also overbought. Also we got divergence. RSI we got divergence. You see, right? Okay, higher, lower high. Higher high in the chart, lower high at the RSI. So there is a divergence, probably the retracement coming. Okay, so now we can see, okay, KLCI likely already broken through, is on its way for a long-term rebound, but next week could be a retracement week. Okay, look at global, look at US dollar. Okay, so okay, US dollar, that's why we saw some strength. US dollar. Okay, so US dollar, we could have a channel here. US dollar could be making a channel. Let me see. Okay, yeah, US dollar is making a channel. Looks like it. Yeah, okay. So US dollar could be making a channel. So there could be a slight rebound to the channel top. Okay, because channel bottom, right? Okay, we are at channel bottom, a rebound at channel top. There is a potential that it might do that. Okay, so but long term, I think US dollar is weak. Okay, but since we have a big okay, we got a big tail bar here. I think there is some positive, okay, rebound coming to next week. But I think long term US dollar is going to drop, continue to drop. Okay, so there is a potential short term rebound, but it really reached yesterday. Okay, so it's still struggling. It really reached this resistance, so we have to wait and see. Okay, but one thing for sure, this 100 area is broken through, a very big psychological resistance area. Okay, 100. Okay, so it's broken through, so there is potential that it might still continue go up. Okay, look at the index Aussie, Australia ASX. Okay, Australia broken through. Okay, broken through this 7378 looks good. Looks good for continued rebound. Okay, looks good. For now, Australia, okay, looks good. Even though it looks a bit weird the chart looks a bit weird, but it did break through. Okay, so I think it's on its way to the top channel. FTSE. Okay, FTSE also on its way to top channel, but you have some resistance over here, the 7752 too very near to resistance. Hang Seng is still long term, is still on the downtrend unless it's broken through this. Okay, once it's broken through this, it might have a rebound. Okay, once it's broken through this, it might have a rebound. It might get a rebound here. To 20,207. Okay, once it's broken through, okay, it might have a rebound here. Slightly higher. Okay. Okay, 20,000. Yeah. Okay, 20,296 once it's broken clear here, then you got chance Okay. DAX German. Oh, DAX German broken through Okay, broken through 16,000. So it want to go higher actually Okay, this is stronger than expected Okay, so it broken through 16,000. So it actually wanted to go higher. Okay, now looks like it want to go back to the top channel here. So for DAX, there's still potential to go higher. Okay. Semiconductor index US is almost keep on divergence so this is very high risk of it will turn around next week so you have to be careful It's still trying to go, but it doesn't have the momentum you see, a strong momentum growth, right? It's like that one, like that. Not like come here after it just zigzag here means the momentum is not very strong you see you see here, right? It zigzag after that it will drop a strong one means it make a you go up like that means you make a A-shape kind of thing, right? It's not like go up then zigzag like that. It's not very good. Okay, no doubt it's still strong. People are still buying due to the technology due to the AI, due to the this US good report, all these things but it's still not too convincing but it's big rebound still got 2% up Friday. Nasdaq still got 1% up. Okay, Nasdaq also quite high, in the and divergence. We got double top here, so it's quite risky okay. S&P also you see quite high, so it's at the top channel here, just broken through the top channel. Okay, and we other side also divergence here, so quite risky it's at the high point so finally our target finally reached already okay, finally today reached our target. Okay, so you have to take note once target reach okay, so a lot of people take profit but Dow Jones not yet reached target okay, Dow Jones we got a head and shoulder here, so Dow Jones still got potential to go higher, but there is a resistance here, you have to take note okay, now it really reached a very important resistance. It might not reach here okay, it might not reach this area. Why okay, because this retrace this head and shoulder okay, it's not a very strong head and shoulder. A strong head and shoulder normally before that we have a downtrend first. Okay, this start head and shoulder is better. Okay, then we say it's a strong one. Okay, means okay, a long-term downtrend, the stock going down, then we make a head and shoulder like that. Then this is a better one. This is head and shoulder came from a sideways one. It's not so good not so good. Okay, not so strong. Okay, because it's not coming up from a downtrend. Okay, but this one you have to take note. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin. But the US is still hanging, still buying, but it's not going Still a lot of buying but it's not going and it's overbought Dow Jones overbought, S&P also overbought area. Nasdaq just rest a while. Maybe still got one push up due to the strong report from the US. Semiconductor index also dropped a bit. Okay, maybe got one more push up, but still still very high risk here lah. Should not play here lah. I mean, you want to buy all the US stock. Last time I already told you, right? We look at it, we can buy at a low price, right? Last time, okay. So later we check out the US stock. So Bitcoin broken, okay, broken from this channel. So US dollar getting stronger. Likely this one will continue to drop lah, as I said lah. Ethereum, okay, Ethereum is still sideways, not very strong. Okay, I think once it go to the bottom channel, it got chance to rebound. Litecoin also still coming down slowly. It's not moving lah. Crypto just not moving. SRP also. After the big break, it just slowly coming down. Look at metal, aluminium. So aluminium, we got head and shoulder, not very good lah. Long term, I think it's still on a down, going down. Still we know long term is still dropping. Nothing much about steel. Let's look at China. Look at China steel. Okay, industry metal, okay, maybe have some rebound, but it's still in the long-term trend, it's still downtrend, maybe small rebound, yes. Look at US, China steel price, okay, China steel price got some, some sign of it might rebound, okay, a sign of, maybe possible sign of it might rebound, but the steel index is not, still we don't see it yet, so still I think we still need to wait, we still don't see a very strong sign yet, okay. A rebound sign from the steel. Okay, look at palm oil, FCPO. FCPO got stuck here. Okay, at the resistance here, 4035, this area. So it's not very, it's okay lah. You rebound around 4,000, but there is a resistance here. Okay, it reaches a resistance area. You have to take note. Okay, it might drop, but with red color momentum coming in long term, I think it still got chance to go after a retracement. A chance. Copper, okay, copper looks like got chance to break out. Okay, copper is trying to break out. Okay, if we manage to break out this 8388, okay, looks like it's breaking out. Okay, so we got a head and shoulder here. It got chance. Copper looks for now looks okay. Okay, it got chance to go up. Okay, look at gold. Okay, gold. Okay, gold has made a lower high. You have to take note. Okay, gold has made a lower high. Okay, so you have to take note. So there is a potential that gold might drop. Continue to drop. Okay, to this 1877. Okay. Okay. It's like gold always make a higher high, higher high. It has been making higher high, and this is a lower high. Okay, so you have to take note. If it doesn't break out 1980 for next week, okay, if it doesn't break out here, it will come down here. Okay, this one also. Okay, this silver also made a lower high. Take note. Okay, also make a lower high. Okay, so we have to take note. So potential, I think the downward pressure is quite high. Okay. Okay, look at oil hit crude oil hit resistance area, which is this area. Okay, the 82 area. Okay, it's almost there. So very unlikely it can break through. I think the market won't let it break through because why? Because if it break through, go to 100, inflation is going to be crazy but it's still at a high point. Okay, Apple. So Apple is here. Apple is. Is it people still buying Okay, people still buying. We saw this rebound here. Okay, the safe play is from the breakout here to here, 178. This one is for more. Okay, means all the fund big fund manager, all these they don't believe, right? They don't believe that this US market will rebound. As I said, we follow chart. We don't care what the analysts say. Okay, of course we listen, but when we see a strong chart, okay, we follow. So this one, okay, we follow to our target. Here is for more. Everyone is fear of missing out. Everyone is buying in. Okay, but if they have any big news coming next week, okay, it could be big drop. Next week is a lot of job report from the US. US job report next week. Okay, we got this China Caixin Services PMI. The important one is this one, US job report. Okay, US job report and employment change. Sorry, non-farm employment change. So we have to see what important one. Okay, where were we? Okay, Apple still going. AMD cannot already. Okay, making lower high already. So AMD is coming back down already. Cannot tahan already. Okay. AMD probably coming back to 100. Broadcom, okay, Broadcom also, okay, you see the momentum, you see RSI getting lower and lower, okay, price go higher, okay, but RSI going lower and lower. Amazon, okay, Amazon also, okay, divergence, price going higher, RSI lower and lower, okay, and potential is coming back to test here, 122, 122, or even possible here. 112. Okay, so I think it's dropping. Alibaba getting stronger after they got summoned all this after we know the crackdown of the China government against all these tech company against Jack Ma. They already fined him, so probably crackdown already finished already. Now they got wings to fly again. Okay, we got head and shoulder here. Okay, head and shoulder here. So potential is coming back to here. Okay, 93 to 105. Okay. Okay, yeah. See here. Okay, here. Okay. So potential is going up. After the breakout, retest, is going there. Okay, Google. Oh, Google report good. Come out. Okay. Let's see the earning report. Yeah, positive. Okay. Q2 74. Q2 last year 69, 74, profit 18B. Last year Q2 is 16B. Okay, so bit last year Apple earning not yet out. Okay, AMD also not yet. Amazon August not yet. Alibaba not yet. Okay, Google already out. Okay, Google also come up with a good report. Grab, okay, Grab slowly climbing up. Okay, but Grab is still in this sideways pattern. Intel, okay, Intel earning also. Let's see, Intel earning 27. Okay, so already come out. Already came out. So look at Intel Q2. Okay, last year Q2 was loss. Revenue 18B. Now is 12.9B. No, the revenue not so good, but at least is profit. Okay, 11, 12, 14. Also, Intel has been losing market share. Okay, you see the revenue was 20 billion at 2021 per quarter. Okay, now their revenue up to 12. Okay, so Intel is still losing market share. Okay. But at least it turned profit. Operating income also dropped. Okay. Also increased. Means negative less. Okay. So but Q2 compared to last year, gross profit 8 million, 4. Okay, it's not very good. Not very good. Because revenue drop is a concern. Revenue drop is a concern. Okay. Net profit, I mean, net profit is important because for dividend, you're long-term holder. Okay, long-term Intel stockholder, you get dividend. All this is good but if you want to goring stock, okay, if let's say I want to goring this stock for the capital gain, right? We also concerned about revenue. Why? Revenue means how much profit is generating. I mean, how much sales. Okay, how much sales. How much sales is generating. Okay, but slowly, Intel, it did go up It did go up. It did go up a bit. So I think long-term Intel is on recovery It's on recovery. I think the worst for Intel already passed already. I think the worst already passed already. Well, because they was last year, right, 22, right, they were making losses. They were making losses. Okay, now Q1 they still make losses, Q2 they make profit, but it's not very long term. It's still concerning. Okay, Facebook is still up lah. Facebook they are growing because they come up with this Twitter. They got AI, many things lah. Okay, so there's still four more lah. The last batch of people trying to jump in. I will not jump in when already the stock already go up. How many months you see Facebook, right? Since here the breakout rebound, right? Since here, right? I never expect it can go so far lah. But you see already how many months? 200 days already, right? 200 days, over half a year already. The stock rebound. Okay, you still want to? I mean, the stock having on an uptrend. You still want to chase now, man? Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft divergence. So possible there is also possible that it will be a retracement coming. Microsoft earning also big expectation also big expectation. So the Q4 this year or Q4 they come out means you see the annual Okay, 2033 72 billion profit. Last year also 72. Revenue 198. So revenue up revenue up. Okay, revenue up. So in Microsoft has been doing better and better yearly. Every year it has been growing. You see, right? You see the chart, right? Okay, the bar chart. So they are growing Microsoft. So with this, right, they should be rebounding but you see they already rebound so far already so we have to take note Micron. Okay, Micron another big push up, but it's too far to chase. We got this channel, so it went to the bottom channel. Now it only went to the top channel again. Best don't chase Okay, wait for it to drop from bottom channel. Nvidia also at a very high point. Okay, but you want to chase, it's up to you. But as I said, okay, so all these already went up so high already If you are chasing in is FOMO fear of missing out. Okay, Tesla almost a hair, head and shoulder target, almost a hair already coming back down already. All the big news already come out already, so I think potential is coming back down already. Okay, our head and shoulder okay, a hair short of the target a little bit short of the target Okay, but you see, as I said, because there is a big resistance here, so it might stop here, so it might not. But do take note our target is an area, as I said it's not a single line. It will not necessarily stop exactly at the line. Sometimes it might go through, sometimes it might stop below the line. So you have to understand the line is just a reference of an area or zoom. Okay, zoom. Okay, zoom long term. I think long term is slowly is going back up. You have to hold it long time, just like Katie Woods. Okay. Visa. Okay, Visa still going in the trend, uptrend. Visa is still okay. Okay, Visa is still strong. Citigroup sideways. Morgan Stanley broken through. Okay, we got a few bottom here broken through. Morgan Stanley should got a good chance to continue up. Goldman Sachs also. Goldman Sachs hit resistance. Okay, so it stuck here. We have to wait and see next week whether it come back to the bottom channel or you break out for the about 355, continue to go up. Okay, if we continue to break above 355, continue up means already broken through. It should be on its way up. JP Morgan very strong. JP Morgan. Okay, JP Morgan very strong. It's Jimmy Diamond. Really know how to do. How to play Okay, so higher high. Okay, looks like a retracement coming. Okay, because we got resistance over here, so maybe a retracement coming, but it really broken through. In the long term, it should be on its way up. Okay, it should come back to test 144. It should be on its way up. Okay, before we end the session, don't forget to subscribe, like. Don't forget to press the like. Okay, for me very important because the more like the more this YouTube okay, will help me to push the channel. Okay, don't forget okay, like and share this with your friend and comment. You want to open an account, you can try CGS-CIMB. CGS-CIMB can play global, not only Malaysia. You can invest in Malaysia, Hong Kong, Singapore, US also. Okay, so you want to play US stock, Hong Kong. Okay, you can open CGS-CIMB account. How to open? There's a link at the bottom there. Okay. Okay, you look at my the description area. You expand the description area. You can see there's a link, finger pointing at this CGS-CIMB. You click the form, fill in a bit of information. My friend from the CGS-CIMB is a remiser there. He will call you up and open an account online with you. Okay, so very simple. Only then you can play. You can invest. Everything is done online. Okay, so very simple only. Okay, so I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.